A lot of energy being used here at this point. Now getting into it. I love that it's still continuing. Drop shots now rather than power play, but now here it comes. Finished off by Indonesia, 16-9. Great pickup, well played your day. That one. Okay, well played, that's nice. Good tip tapping, 21-18. Indonesia have taken the first, and there's men's doubles here in Wuhan. Dong Feng Sitrin. Lots of interaction. Hassan at the back here. He's got a really good corner play there. Sets the shuttle again in attack. What a good rally. It's a great rally, finished off again by Yongtae. Great control, that one. Here's a chance, here's a chance. Yeah, right there. You can feel that moment was the turning point in the rally. It's 5-all. 5. Again, it's big pressure. Surely going to succumb here. Good defense. Good retrieving and great There is a chance to attack, but not take it up. That is a good one. They haven't given up on attack. back, I tell you, but Hassan puts it wide. Nice change of direction, Hedra. And again, it's a beauty. He's done it on the forehand side, so the sentence was actually reduced or rescinded or something, but he certainly came back into it with great gusto. Oh, great pick up. Watch this. Watch this space. The crowd absolutely enthralled by this. And now it's you that puts it down into the net. And it's 11-10 as they go to the break in favour of Indonesia.